Gochain is one of those inconceivably imaginative tokens that have a strong specialized establishment and a decent rundown of organizations, yet haven't figured out how to make a leap forward yet. As a more modest token, it doesn't have a proper positioning spot in the market cap-based evaluations, like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. It remains someplace in the 500 to 700 territory. Many coins and tokens with a comparable position have a market capitalization that isn't not quite the same as their neighbors. That's the reason their spots in the positioning can change fiercely in one day or less. Notwithstanding that, Gochain can in any case be an advantageous speculation for specific financial backers. As a more modest token, Go is a generally hazardous decision, however it likewise has high benefit potential. In this video, we will endeavor to make a Gochain cost figure for 2022 to 2030, however kindly recollect that no one but you can conclude whether a resource will be ideal for your portfolio or not. Gochain, or Gochain, as it is likewise once in a while spelled, is one of the greenest and quickest cryptographic forms of money on the planet. Moreover, it is additionally viewed as among the most savvy tokens. Its exchanges ultimately depend on multiple times less expensive than those of the most well-known computerized monetary standards, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. The typical exchange affirmation time for Go is 3 to 5 seconds. The Go Symbolic Power is the Gochain organization, which uses one of the most creative agreement calculations on the planet to be specific, evidence of notoriety. This original calculation utilizes a standing-based framework for keeping up with the well-being and security of the blockchain framework. As indicated by its makers, probably the most serious gamble of shared networks is the capacity of hubs to travel every which way freely. Thus, POR just permits the hubs with the most noteworthy standing qualities to join the agreement bunch that can pursue the choices relating to the condition of the blockchain. On February 23, 2022, the Gochain network presented marking. Half of all Go rewards currently go to the stakers. To purchase the Gochain digital money, first, you should get a crypto wallet that upholds it. A portion of the equipment and hot wallets that help it are MetaMask, Ledger, Trezor, Mu, and others. You can see the full rundown on the Gochain site. Gochain technical analysis. The Gochain digital money has a few things backing it up, yet there are likewise a couple of elements that appear to be highlighting Go having a somewhat difficult time soon. Its true Reddit people group, most importantly, is everything except dead. In every one of the new posts, there are simply individuals asking for one Go to have the option to move their OMI tokens. Besides, clients from the US are presently experiencing issues getting Go. Moreover, a conspicuous task that utilized the Gochain organization, the Vecommercial Center, and its token OMI, has as of late moved to the Ethereum blockchain. Then again, Gochain stays a profoundly powerful and eco-accommodating blockchain stage. It additionally has its own NFT commercial center, Zerament. Gochain's cost and the eventual fate of the venture will to a great extent rely heavily on the number of organizations that its group will figure out how to lay out sooner rather than later. There's an enormous chance that the current, as of the finish of February 2022, precariousness might carry a great deal of new financial backers to the market, and it will ultimately depend on Go's group to sort out ways of drawing in them to this undertaking. The venture's eco-cordiality without a doubt is a colossal benefit. Gochain Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Gochain costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Gochain will be $0.011. The greatest level that the Go cost can reach is $0.012. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.011. Go price forecast for May 2022. In light of the value changes of Gochain toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Go pace of $0.009 in March. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0.008 and at $0.009, separately. June 2022. Gochain price forecast. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their gauge at the Go cost in April 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.009, while the greatest could reach $0.010 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Gochain may be around $0.009. Go price forecast for July 2022. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value changes of Gochain in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal go rate they foresee may be around $0.010 in May. It can drop to $0.009 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $0.010. August 2022. Gochain price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Go cost will be exchanged at $0.010 by and large. June could likewise observe an expansion in the Gochain worth to $0.011. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.010 in June 2022. Go price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have dissected Gochain costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July $0.010. The most reduced and top go rates may be $0.010 and $0.011. October 2022. Gochain price forecast. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Go cost will be around $0.011. In August, the Gochain cost might drop to at least $0.010. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0.012 in August 2022. Go price forecast for November 2022. Having dissected Gochain costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the Go rate could arrive at a limit of $0.012 in September 2022. It may, nonetheless, drop to $0.010. For September, the gauge normal of Gochain is almost $0.011. December 2022. Gochain price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Gochain cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0.011. Crypto experts expect that in October 2022, the Go cost could vary somewhere in the range of $0.011 and $0.012. Gochain price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Gochain in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Gochain will be around $0.015. The most extreme expected Go cost might be around $0.019. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $0.015 in 2023. Gochain price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Gochain, in 2024, Go is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs. About $0.022 and $0.026, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0.023. Gochain price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broke down the costs of Gochain and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base Go cost could drop to $0.032, while its most extreme can reach $0.038. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $0.033. Gochain price prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Gochain by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Go costs are normal in 2026. $0.055 and $0.045. Overall, it will be exchanged at $0.047. Gochain price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the changes of Gochain. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical Go cost will be around $0.067. It could drop to at least $0.065, yet it actually could reach $0.080 all through 2027. Gochain Price Prediction 2028. Consistently, digital currency specialists plan conjectures at the cost of Gochain. It is assessed that Go will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $0.09412 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $0.097 during the year. Gochain Price Prediction 2029. Cryptographic money experts are prepared to report their assessments of the Gochain's cost. The year 2029 still up in the air by the greatest Go cost of 16 cents. In any case, its rate could drop to around 13 cents. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is 14 cents. Gochain Price Prediction 2030. Following quite a while of investigation of the Gochain cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their Go expense assessment at 2030. It will be exchanged for no less than 19 cents, with the conceivable greatest tops at 23 cents. Overall, you can anticipate that the Go cost should be around 19 cents in 2030. If Go endures everyday hardship and figures out how to remain above water in the midst of extraordinarily close rivalry and unavoidable